Hi guys, I hope you're okay. So this morning I've been asked by a few of you just to give him some pointers on how to remove your gel nails, your acrylic nails, if they get too long and you cannot get them filled, obviously due to being in isolation on lockdown. So I thought that it would be best to just give you a bit of a demo. Mine really do need taking off now, so I'm going to show you a demo on one of my nails for now. I'm just going to take you through what you might need in terms of your equipment, and also to let you know that if you do not have any of that equipment at home, we are actually selling removal kits. So we put these together for you, so you have a mini version of your own Dissolve, which is our professional use acetone that removes all nail extensions, including acrylic nails, gel bottle nails, shellac, OPI, Evo. So whatever, we're a clinic that has so many different brands in there. So if you have come to us, we can just give you one-on-one advice on how to remove your nails, but this is a generic way of how to remove it. Also, what we've done is devised a whole list of instructions from 1 to 10 really, on how to remove your nails as safely as possible. We care about your natural nails, so obviously the more gentle that we can help you and assist you to get them removed, then the better. So what we have here is a towel, because we are dealing with acetone, so it will strip anything like varnish, anything like plastic. It can damage leather, so you just need to make sure that you're working in an area where it is safe. So I would probably suggest that you get a towel, fold it in half. I've got some couch roll, which you might not have, but kitchen roll is absolutely fine. Okay, so I'm going to start with either a natural nail file, whatever file you have really. What we want to do is we want to etch the nail to take the shine off the top. So all you want to do is remove the shine from the surface of your nail, something like this, just until there is no shine whatsoever. The reason for this is because the top coat sometimes doesn't allow any product, any acetone to seep through it, so you do need to break that barrier. So I have now dusted my nail. I've taken off all of the shine. My next step will be to apply some oil. So what the oil will do is it will keep your nail moisturised as the acetone does its work by soaking and lifting off that product. Next, I'm going to take a piece of cotton wool. I am going to immerse it into the acetone just so it's saturated really. You want to make sure it's saturated so that there is enough acetone on your nail to soak through and do the job correctly. So I'm going to place it on top of my nail with that. Now you can get kitchen foil. It doesn't have to be a professional foil. Foil is foil really. So I'm going to now place it on the top, keep it in place with my other finger as I then wrap it almost like a chicken drumstick. Secure it. Go through then and do all 10 of your fingers, just so they are wrapped securely with your foil. For shellac, you are probably looking at a 15-minute wait. For something like OPI or Evo, you are probably looking maybe 20 to 25 minutes. When it comes to Builder gel bottle, you are probably looking at about a 30 to 35, sometimes 40-minute wait on the processing time. For acrylic nails, definitely around 60 minutes. With hard gel, for those who have hard gel, unfortunately acetone does not really remove hard gel, so you will need to almost buff the nail down. Be very careful as you get closer to the nail plate. Be very, very careful. I would almost encourage you to leave just a tiny little bit on there, and then just to keep on painting on your nail hardener, clear top coat, anything that's going to protect it really. So I have gel bottle, I have the keratin version on. What I will probably do is leave it on for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. Hi guys, so I've just had my coffee and waited about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Because I have a builder gel bottle on, it is going to take a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do now is unravel the foil off my nail. And I'm just going to pull the residue off. Now, as you can see, I've taken a lot off, but there is still some residue there. This is where your orange stick will come in handy. So what I'm going to do now is, can you see, I'm just removing the residue off my nail. You do have to be a little bit forceful with this point, this process, especially when your nails have got keratin on. Okay, so I've got sort of a rough texture on, and there is a tiny little bit more product left on that. So at that point, I wouldn't urge you to buff the natural nail at this point. I would use the rest of the cotton wool that's still got acetone on it and just wipe it as you would if you were removing nail varnish from your finger using nail varnish remover. Like I said, you do need patience for this, because if you do start yanking and pulling and filing it off, you can cause damage to the natural nail. There's a slight bit more here, so I'm just going to use a bit more force. In that process, and just continue to rub it off with the cotton wool that has acetone on it. Okay, so I've completely taken the gel bottle product off my nail. At this point now, I'm going to go back with my solar oil and just place it around the cuticle, rub it into my nail. Now you can file your nails down if you don't want them too long, but if you do like them long, obviously just make sure that they are sensible, because once they are your natural nails without any protection on them, you might find that they are slightly weaker. If I can get into this bottle. So here we have the keratin treatment. You can either use the CND keratin treatment or the OPI nail envy treatment. If you do have another nail hardener at home, feel free to use that also. We are going to apply this, and we're going to apply it today and every day until you come back to the clinic and leave your nails again in our hands. Okay, so it's very easy to apply, it's clear, it dries very quickly, and you just apply it. Apply it every day, but do not wipe it off with nail varnish remover in between. On day 7, you can then take it off and start again. It's basically where you start to build the keratin onto the nail plate, and it's going to get stronger and stronger each day. Any questions, please private message us or send us an email. We will be happy to assist you. Okay, keep safe guys.